What's up, guys? So today I'm working on the Jeep. Got the Jeep here. Whew. This thing, it kicked my ass for about the past hour and a half. So I got the other axle in. So I learned today that the driver's side axle is an 1/8 inch shorter than the passenger axle, and I had the passenger on the driver's side. So that's what put too much, clamping force on my bearing. When I clamped it down with the retainer, destroyed the bearing because it was an 1/8 inch longer. So I swapped them out. I don't have nearly as bad a drag anymore on that axle. So that 100% was the problem. I had the axles flipped. So $60 bearing kit later. We're all set and ready to go. Next thing I gotta do, now that both the axles are in, is I have to take off the diff cover, and I gotta drain it and I gotta clean it out. So let's get into that. You guys, the reason I can't put it on the wheels right now is because I don't have my drums. I gotta pick them up when Advance opens. It's like 6:30 in the morning right now. Alright, so all we gotta do is pop a little fucking rubber mallet. Just like this. Like that. Man, look at this juicy goodness. Look at all that in there. You can't see a single thing. There you go. So basically, everything dripping out of this right now, it's all got metal shavings in it from that axle over there. So just gonna go ahead and take care of that while I'm at it. So I gotta go to the auto parts store to get me some gear oil, some brake drums, and some brake clean to clean it all out, because we're all out of brake clean. I mean, I guess I could make it do with this carb cleaner, but that's all I got, just that carb cleaner. Oh, well, they got this bottle. Well, that's full. This bottle feels empty. This bottle feels empty. This bottle. Okay, maybe I do have enough. Let's get to that then. So pretty much our goal here is to get all this junk out of here. There's a shit ton of metal on the magnet. Take all that gas material off too. Big rag and wipe this out real quick. God damn. Alright, clean the rest of this shit up with a wire wheel. Alright, now that the compressor's off, this is pretty much as clean as I'm gonna get it. And I'm thinking about just hitting the back with some fresh spray paint or something. Sound like it's all gross. Yeah. It's really tempting me now. That's it. So I'm gonna run to the hardware store and go grab some red paint to match the paint on the Jeep, and I'm gonna paint this with it. I need some brake clean, I need some gear oil, and I need my drums because I'm not reusing these. If you look at the back side of the one that burnt, look at that. Look at all that warpage. That is not good. So, go and grab those. I'll be back. All right, I'm back from the parts store. Got my brake drums, brake clean, gear oil, and also went ahead and got some color match paint for my body to match my diff cover, and some primer. This thing's all dry. It's not the smoothest, but hey, it'll work. So, let me go ahead and get to it. And pop the primer on real quick. Gotta wait for that to dry. All right, let's put some wheels on. What y'all think about that? Put some wheels on. What? This is how I put my 33, my 12 and a half R15s on. It works. All right, got these on. Got them snugged up. Don't worry, I threaded them on at first and then impacted them on second. On level 1, not level 2. So we're good. They're at about 100 foot-pounds. Wait for this to dry now. Man, this thing dries quick. There's only a few wet spots, like right there, along the front, and then a little bit right there. But it's not too much longer. I'm so ready to have this thing on the road. Even if it still death wobbles, I'd love the rear end to be fucking done. While that dries, I'm gonna go get some food. So I'll be back. All right, got some nice food in me. I decided to throw the coat of red paint on before I went eat, and it should be dry by now, hopefully. Yeah, completely dry. This shit dries quick. So, got that. I grabbed some good old red gasket maker high temp. Put that on there. Pop it on into place. Look at this, guys. Old Bel Air. He's going to Cars and Coffee, so I'm probably gonna meet him there, honestly. If we get this done in time, then yeah. I got all the bolts in. As you can see, I just gotta tighten them up, fill it with oil, and then I'm good to go, pretty much. That's it.
This is always the most fun part, I swear. And by most fun, I mean most miserable. There he goes. Jack under it. Let's move it out. Woo. See how she rolls, huh?
She's dirty, but she runs. At least it's running. Still wobbles. Be alright though. Well guys, the Jeep is finally done sitting. Now, it's still wobbling. It's gotta be my tires, but I have no leaks whatsoever. So, that's a good thing. That's it for this video, guys. I'm done. Dude, I'm exhausted. Time to go to my actual job. See you guys in the next one. Later.